Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back.
Kenya's big theater show is back.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
From the guys that brought you the record-breaking staging of Tomboya, now comes another big show. Too Early for Birds, Wangarĩ Maathai, celebrating Africa's first woman to win a Nobel Peace Prize and the first woman to break the glass ceiling many, many times over. Join us for the biggest show of 2026 from April 10th to 12th.
Buy your tickets. Okay, let's go together. Buy your tickets. Buy your tickets. Buy your tickets.